Hey guys, thanks for clicking onto this tutorial. I'm your girl Latoya. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this sleek down fluffy ponytail on my 4C natural hair. Now to achieve this look, I will be using my 3X Springy Afro twist hair in the color 1B. Now this is a very realistic, versatile, affordable and manageable hair to install. To further achieve this look, I will be using my Eco Style gel, my Fashion 02 wax gel, and I'm also going to be using 2 hair bands and definitely, you guessed it, some water. So I'm going to first start at the back, and what I'm doing is to part out a small section, apply my water to soften my hair, and then go in with my comb to detangle. I am then going to apply my Eco Style gel and just secure that portion with my hairband. So I'm going to continue this procedure right throughout my hair. Just go in to part out a small section, apply your water, detangle, apply your gel, and then use your brush to just lay it flat and add it to the portion that is already secure with the hairband. Now the reason for doing this is because my hair is so thick, and if you want that sleek finish, you have to go in section by section and apply your gel. At some point I realized that I was adding too much water. No, you don't have to add so much water, or you don't have to add water at all, but I want to use the water because it softens my hair, so I can go into detangle and add the gel to give me, yes, you guessed it, that sleek finish. So for this style I want a center part, so I'm just going to go in with my Fashion 02 gel wax just to retrace the parted section. So I'm first going to part that portion there in the middle, apply the gel to the parted section and retrace the part so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So as you can see, I'm securing this section of my hair so I can go over onto the other section and lay it as flat as possible. So we're going to continue with the same procedure. Part out a small section, detangle, add your water, add your gel, and just use your brush to get it as flat as possible and add that portion to the section that is already secure with the hairband. And so guys, just a quick reminder, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. So right throughout this procedure, I was using the Eco Style gel, but as I get closer to the front portion of my hair, I'm going to switch the gel and go in with the Fashion 02 wax gel. Now, I am not really a big fan of this wax gel because it tends to leave a white residue. However, it holds my hair a lot firmer than the Eco Style gel. And because I want to have that firm, sleek finish at the front, I am just going to go in with this gel. So far I have completed this section of my hair. Now to go over to the other section. So guys, with all hairdo, you have to lay your edges. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue and my old toothbrush. Now you can use whatever jam that you have. You can also use the Fashion 02 wax jam if you have it, but I am used to using the Got To Be glue, so I'm just gonna go in with that. Next, I'm going to apply some mousse. You don't have to apply any mousse to your hair, but I love to use my mousse. The next thing I'm going to do is to take a rubber band and just form the back portion of my hair into a little bun to secure it. Now this doesn't have to be as neat and tidy because this bun is going to be covered with the Springy Afro twist hair. And in addition to that, you want to tie your hair down just to set it. So while the hair is secured, I'm just gonna get my face all dolled up for work and then come back to install the Springy Afro twist. So now guys, time to install the hair. Now as I mentioned before, I'm using the Springy Afro twist hair in the color 1B. I think this color matches my hair perfectly. Now this hair comes with 3 bundles, and when I pull one of the bundle out, I realized that it wasn't fluffy enough. So instead of using 1 bundle, I'm going to use 2 bundles. So what you want to do is to put the 2 bundles together to form 1 bundle. And I'm just going to hold it in the middle and make sure that both ends are of equal length. And I'm just going to secure the middle portion with my hairband. So guys, this is how the hair looks, and as you know, I like the curl patterns at the end, so I'm not going to detangle it or anything like that. And in addition, I want to use this hair again to do some twists, so I'm just going to keep it in its form as much as possible. So what you want to do is to take your hairband and place it over your bun. And you want to place the hair in a particular way so the hair falls over the bun. So as you can see, I'm starting with the braid above the bun, and once the hairband is secured to my bun, then I'm just going to flip the hair over to cover the bun itself. So now I'm just gonna go in with my hairpins, and what I'm gonna do is to pull about 3 to 4 strands of the hair at the side and then use it to wrap around the bun. Now the reason for doing this is because I don't want during the course of the day my bun to peep out and say hello at the side. So I'm using my hair to cover the bun itself. So guys, this is the final look. I am truly loving this braid as it looks so much like my natural 4C hair. If you love this tutorial, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. And I must say the hair looks even better when I'm out in the open as it blends so much with my natural 4C hair. Guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.